Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be lubricating the outside as well as the inside door lock on my garage door. Now for well over a week I put my key in the lock to turn it, and the inside mechanism has been staying in one spot after I take the key out, which is kind of unusual. So we're going to be fixing that today, so that way hopefully I won't have future problems with the door. So let's get started. Alright, so what I'm going to be lubricating this garage door lock here with is can of WD-40. Now, show you. Now here's the key to the garage door. Let's see, normally when I put it in, okay, yeah, see normally when I put it in like that, see how it stays, right? But I lift up the garage door and I do this, see? This lock is supposed to go back to where it's supposed to be, and the handle is supposed to lock in one position. Well, it doesn't do that. So take a can of, okay, like this. Put it inside of the little slot right here. Okay, now I don't have to spray a whole lot into the lock cylinder here. Just a little bit goes a long way. All right, so I'm gonna also put some right in the crease right here, like that. Okay. Now take the key, put it in. Okay. Turn the key back and forth a little bit to get the WD-40 to go over inside of the door lock cylinder. Okay. Now put it up. Okay. Okay. Bring the garage door up. All right. So now I'm inside the garage. All right. And here is the locking mechanism. All right, as you can see, this is a spring metal tab that comes down. All right, comes out like that, and it's a half cutout on this plate. And that's what this tab goes into to do that, to lock this handle in place. All right, now right behind this plate is a mechanism. So, got myself a Braille Beat electric screwdriver here. Okay. Now I'm putting them on the workbench as the order that they came out. Okay. Okay. All right. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll pull this off. Now right now, as you see right down in there, this little Now this little tab, it looks like a little X. Like a plus sign, basically. All right. Now what I'm gonna do, take some lubrication. All right. Now you gotta just be very careful when doing this, because it is loose. It is loose parts behind this plate. All right. So what you want to do? You want to just spray it like this. Spray it all down. If it drips out, it's okay. If you do it in the house, just make sure, if your garage floor has a carpet or whatever, just make sure you put something down on the carpet so the WD-40 doesn't get into the carpet, ruin it. Like that. All right, now I'm gonna set that right there. All right, now right here, let me show you. Now right here is a little thin piece of metal sticking out. All right. So that thin piece of metal right here fits right into this. All right. So, okay. So take some WD-40, spray in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure everything's the same way. Now what I'm going to do is take this, put this box right back onto I don't have a whole lot of room in here to do this. I do apologize for this. All right, so goes in just like that. There we go. See, goes in just like that. Now what I do, okay, now what I do is I take all 4 screws, get difference how the screws go in, because all 4 screws are the same length. You put in like this, like that. I'll start the screws in a little bit, so none of the screws fall out.
Screw back in.
All right, now so basically what is that if you bring I bring the lock towards this way, see how the tab stays up, okay, until you move, till you just hit this, tab goes down. Bring it to the left or right. I get my left and right mixed up. Bear with me. So if I bring it this way, all right, see, it goes like that. Now what I can also do, spray some up there. Okay, like this, like that. Okay, and there we go. Because what happened was it was actually sticking this way, just like that.